Section T8C Operating Activities. Which of the following methods is used to locate sources of noise, interference, or jamming? C. Radio direction finding. Radio direction finding, or RDF, uses directional antennas to make bearings on a signal source. By taking bearings from two or more locations and plotting where they intersect, you can pinpoint the location of an interfering transmitter. Which of these items would be useful for a hidden transmitter hunt? B. A directional antenna. A directional antenna is essential for fox hunting or hidden transmitter hunts. You rotate the antenna and note where the signal is strongest to get a bearing. SWR meters and watt meters measure antenna power characteristics and don't provide direction information. What operating activity involves contacting as many stations as possible during a specific period? D. Contesting. Contesting is the competitive operation activity where operators try to make as many contacts as possible within a time period. Contacts are brief, just call signs, signal reports, and required exchange. Contests can last hours to days. Which of the following is a good procedure when contacting another station in a contest? A. Send only the minimum information needed for proper identification and the contest exchange. In contests, efficiency is key. Send only the minimum required information: your call sign, your signal report, contest exchange. Extended conversations waste valuable time for both operators. Signal reports are typically given as 59 or 599 regardless of actual condition. What is a grid locator? B. A letter number designator assigned to a geographic location. A grid locator or maidenhead locator system is a letter number designator that identifies a geographic location. For example, FN 31 covers part of the Northeast U.S. It is used in contests, award programs, and propagation studies to quickly communicate station locations. How is over-the-air access to IRLP nodes accomplished? A. By using DTMF signals. IRLP, or Internet Radio Linking Project, nodes are accessed by sending DTMF touchtone signals from your radio. You key in specific codes to connect to other nodes. DTMF tones are the same tones produced by telephone keypads. What is Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP? A. A method of delivering voice communication over the Internet using digital techniques. VoIP is a technology that converts voice audio into digital data and transmits it over the Internet. In amateur radio, VoIP enables systems like IRLP and Echolink that connect radios and repeaters across the Internet. What is the Internet Radio Linking Project, IRLP? A. A technique to connect amateur radio systems such as repeaters via the Internet using VoIP. IRLP connects amateur radio systems, especially repeaters, via the Internet using VoIP. An operator on one repeater can use DTMF codes to link to another IRLP-equipped repeater anywhere in the world, enabling global communication through local radios. Which of the following protocols enables an amateur station to transmit through a repeater without using a radio to initiate the transmission? C. Echolink. Echolink allows operators to connect to repeaters using a computer or smartphone app without needing a radio. You can transmit through an Echolink connected repeater using just an internet connection, a microphone, and the Echolink software. What is required before using the Echolink system? B. Register your call sign and provide proof of license. Before using Echolink, you must register your amateur radio call sign and provide proof of valid license. This verification ensures only licensed amateurs access the system. Registration is free and done through the Echolink website. What is an amateur radio station that connects other amateur radio stations to the Internet? B. A gateway. A gateway is an amateur radio station that provides a bridge between radio and the Internet. It connects other amateur stations to Internet-linked systems like IRLP or Echolink. A repeater retransmits on radio. A gateway routes between radio and Internet. T8C key takeaways. Radio direction finding, RDF, locates interference sources using directional antennas. Contesting equals contact as many stations as possible, send minimum required info. Grid locators are letter number geographic designators, or the Maidenhead system. IRLP connects repeaters via Internet, VoIP, accessed with DTMF codes. Echolink lets you transmit through a repeater without a radio, like a computer or phone app. A gateway connects amateur radio stations to the Internet.